Smackdown. Start with some women's division action here.
Say hello to Mrs. Wrestling. One of the most decorated female superstars in the world. Surprising ability in such a small package. Candice is all smiles and capabilities. A big opportunity for Candice here. Here comes the heart of Chase Universe. Impressive and maybe a bit overzealous students to college Chase University. But Thea has done so proven that she is a grown woman who can get things done on her own. Change the minds of all the doubters and naysayers tonight.
Alright, from Chase University, it's Thea Hale versus Candice Lerae to open up Smackdown Friday night. Ring the bell.
So scrappy Candice Lerae ready for singles action here tonight. Candice is always ready for action, always ready for a fight. Yeah, she can dish it out, but she can also take it. I'm sure Candice's resolve is going to play a big part in tonight's match.
Oh,
Thea wants an in-ring experience into the cover. Gets the shoulder up and one. She's still in this one. She's calling for it. One more minute left.
Oh, wow. What a start from Thea Hale.
With ease. Just a perfect mix of pure power and bad intentions. She thinks she has it. She overcomes the pinfall attempt. Not getting it two at this point has got to say something. Candice has been competing for a long time, Corey. How will she be using her knowledge in this match? Lerae has constantly been surrounded by wrestling for a long time now. Everything she does in the ring has become a natural instinct to her. It's very difficult for anyone to compete with her. Snap suplex. Oh, suicide.
Oh!
What?
Suicide dive DDT was. What a start to Smackdown.
Oh man, by the hair. There's a lot of hard ways to land, but that might be the hardest. She will wisely return to the ring now.
Oh.
Kick. Nasty kick. Just to not even allow a 2 count at this juncture. Double stop. She's enduring some damage. Yeah, Candice with a Very efficient form of offense. What are we going to see here?
Nice leg breaker by Thea Hale.
All the intensity of
Her feet are on the ropes. Oh!
Thea Hale had the target acquired.
Oh, she's going for the Kimura. Is Candice Lerae going to tap out?
Is she going to tap? And she releases the hold.
No, she doesn't.
Enough damage has been done. Should have kept on wrenching. Why show mercy now? Beautiful senton. Nice Japanese on ground. Slice.
Oh, nice reversal by Candice Lerae.
This could be the
She goes for the cover. Is it enough? One. Freaking close.
Looks like Candice is locked in on that hard. Kick right to the head. Slugging it out. Two Titans trading strikes and refusing to back down.
Back and forth here.
Giving up now is not an option. They have to finish this.
Oh! Can it be over? 1, 2, and there it is! Thea Hale, victorious!
Taking a beat on the face of Candice Lerae. Some could call this a squad.
Big win by Thea Hale. Graduate from Chase University.